Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class we will discuss about stacked and side-by-side bar charts. In our previous class we already discussed about what bar charts is and how we are constructing those bar charts and what's the packages that we are using to construct the bar charts. So please follow our playlist from the beginning so that you will have a better understanding of the complete Python for data science. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. In our previous classes we already discussed about group by and group by function. We use that function and multi-indexing also, hoping that you already know what our data set is and how we are applying that group by and multi-indexing. Based on that we are explaining this example. Coming to our data set, this is our data which we are following in our previous classes, the sample store data set from which we considered previously. In this we are having region, south, east and west and central. Out of this we are constructing, we are going to take the sales. According to the region wise we are taking the sum of the sales. That is what we are taking and we are constructing the bar charts. Coming to this example, we will understand what side-by-side bar charts means. So in order to construct the side-by-side bar charts, we are taking an example. Temp is equal to, this is how we constructed the sum value, total sales. Total sales has been constructed. These are the total sales according to region wise. Central total sale is 50,000 something like this. East, this is the value. South, west, this is the value. Total sales. So this total sales is taken in a variable x is equal to temp.index. These x-axis values means central, east, south and west is taken in a variable called x, and y is taking the sales value. Okay. After that, let's take one more example. In order to construct the side-by-side bar charts, we are taking one more example from our data set which we constructed region category. Means we are group by, we are taking group by on both the category, region and category, means multi-indexing. This is how our output will be. Central, what is the furniture total sales? What is the office supplies total sale? What is the technology total sale? This is how we divided our data. Out of this we are taking only the furniture total sale. East, what is the furniture total sale? South, what is the furniture total sale? These are the values we are taking. How to take those values? We discussed in our previous class how to take the multi-indexing. Using multi-indexing we have to pick the sale value. We will use access method, temp.xls furniture level is equal to category. So temp1, we are taking this in a temp1 variable. So from the temp1 we are constructing y1 sales. These are the furniture total sales. Furniture total sales according to the region wise. So totally what's the values we have? X-axis, we are x in the x variable we are having the region values, central, east, south and west. On the y we are having total sales according to the region. On the y1 we are having furniture sales according to the sum of furniture sales according to the region wise. Now how to construct this side by side bar charts? So this is how it will look. Blue color is total sale, orange is the furniture sale. This is how it look. How to construct this? Let's try to understand the coding part. So in order to construct this, x1 is equal to we are using numpy package np.arrange of len of x. Len of x means x is having 4 values. X means central, south, east and west. These are the values which we have on the x value. So total arrange of len of x means it will take the values from 0, 1, 2 and 3. These are the values considered. So x1 is having the values 0, 1, 2 and 3. So why we are taking these numerical values? That we will understand when we go into the, so we are constructing a figure. In this we are constructing a bar of x1 comma y. We are taking these numerical values and we are constructing on the y axis we are taking y, means total sales. In the y variable what's the values we have? Total sales. And we are constructing one more bar chart, plt.bar of, but it should be displayed x1 plus 0.2. What's this? Exactly the width of the previous bar. There you have to construct the bar charts according to x1 plus 0.2. So y1, what's the y-axis we are using? y1 values. y1 values means furniture values, comma, color is equal to orange, width is equal to 0.2. This is how we construct side by side bar charts. Okay, x1 plus 0.2. So the output is and one more thing we have to understand, this x label, y label, title are explained in our previous classes. Legend, what's this legend means? It is going to construct a legend like this. Total value, blue color means total value. We have not mentioned the total sum of sales, we have to mention it as total sum of sales, but shortcut we have mentioned orange means furniture total sales according to region wise. In order to create this, we will use this legend. So the legend is taking the whatever the it has to displayed here. We have mentioned here total furniture, and LOC is equal to 0. LOC means location. Location is equal to 0 means by default let it select, let the software our Python select the correct position to display this legend. If you can give it as legend is equal to 1 means it will take the rightmost corner on the top. If you give legend is equal to 2 means it will take the leftmost corner. Like that they have given 8 different positions. So you check the documentation about this 8 positions. 0 means it will take the best place which is visible. Okay. So this is how we construct the side by side bar charts. But one more thing here, it is numerics has been displayed. What to do if you want to display the our X categories? What's the categories we have considered? Central, south, east and west. What to do if you want to display that? We will use a method called, we will use a function called xticks. So if you use this function, remaining all are same, only this line is added. If you want to add the these basic values, this x-axis value should be, means x-axis value should be converted into central, south and east and west. If you want to convert that, so in place of x1 means these are the values which we used here, x1 values, np.arrange of, instead of x1, in place of x1 replace with x, and horizontal alignment is equal to center. We have made an alignment of center. This is how we got central, east, south and west. Okay, we can use x ticks. The same way we can use y ticks also instead of so here it is not required according to the situation. If you want to, if you need y ticks, you can use y ticks also. Okay, coming to the next one. Okay, and one more important option you have to understand here. On the xticks, sometimes assume that suppose there are so many bar charts and these values, the central and the names of these bar charts, whatever the xticks, if it is too long, one xtick, one value will be overlapped with the other value. If that type of situation, what we do? It will be very clumsy to read the data. So in order to avoid that clumsiness, we can rotate this xticks. Whatever we mentioned here, xticks x1 comma x, rotation is equal to 90, means 90 degrees rotation. See how the values is central, east, south, west, we got it horizontally. You can rotate according to whatever the way you needed. So this is how we construct side by side bar charts. And coming to the stacked bar charts, here we are having two options. Construct the bar charts one on the other, the same examples we have considered. See, if you want to, if your manager asked you to show the bar charts one above the other, means the total sale will be like this. On this you have to show the furniture total sale. If you want to show like that, so what we do, that we call it as one above the other stacked bar charts. Okay, the code here is, we will construct the same thing, plt.bar of, you know what x means, what y means, what x means, what y1 means. So x is same for both of them, central, east, south and west. So y is changed for both the charts. Bar ones, this is taken as y means total sale, y1 means furniture sale. So that if you change this, you will get the one above the other stacked bar charts. This is how we got. But usually stacked bar charts means one above the other, not one on the other. This is one on the other. So one above the other. Let's take an example and understand what's one above the other means. So in our example, we are taking temp1 is equal to temp. See, this is temp means check the data set once. So these are the values which we got: central furniture total sale, east furniture total sale, south furniture total sale, next central office supplies total sale, east office supplies total sales, and central technology total sale. This is how we got. In this we have taken only furniture total sale. So now we are taking furniture total sale, office supplies total sale, technology total sale, but we have to construct bars one above the other. Okay, how to construct that? See, this is how the output will be. So let's understand the output so that you will understand the coding easily. So this is the total sale of furniture. On the above, the bar has to start. Orange means office sales. So on the after completion of bar 1 means this bar, blue color bar, means furniture sales. The office supplies sales has to start and it has to construct the bar. On the above of this orange, the red has to start, means technology has to start. This is what stacked bar means, one above the other. So how to construct this? The same way we have taken y1 is equal to temp1 of sales dot values. What's temp1 means? Temp1 is equal to, we are taking furniture total sales. Temp2 means we are taking office supplies total sales according to the region. Temp3 means technology total sales according to the region. From that we are taking values, sales values y1, y2, y3. y1 means furniture total sales, y2 means office supplies total sales, y3 means technology total sales. So how to construct this? plt.bar of x1 comma y1. Yes, simply it will come from the bottom to the it will construct the blue color. So color is equal to blue. So plt.bar of x1 comma y2. So here we are using y2, but it should be, its bottom should be, bottom is equal to y1, means it should start above y1. That is what the meaning of bottom is equal to y1. Remaining all options are well known. Color is equal to orange, width is equal to 0.2. plt.bar of x1 comma y3. The third one, bottom is equal to y1 plus y2. Color is equal to red. This is how we will construct the stacked bar charts. So this is the output which we got after applying the stacked bar charts. Hope you understand the concepts. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.